Hey guys, I'm Pat, and this is my custom Sapient Saga. Let's start with the front end. I have the Mankind New World 2.0 bars and 8.9 rise with Colt D Heart grips and bar ends. Demolition Stealth stem. United SU3 forks with premium Samsara front wheel. Stock tires. Stock frame, seat is stock, cranks and all that stuff within the bottom bracket area is all stock too. Stock tire with premium Samsara back wheel. It's really all that's to it. Like, I haven't put too much into it, at least not yet. I kind of just got the bike and originally got it as a project bike, but it rides pretty nice. I was really surprised, to be honest. I definitely want to get new tires and pedals, and eventually I'm hoping to get new cranks, and yeah. That's my bike.